Hello friends, this is Pranjal. Ready for PCB designing? Let's start with what is PCB. In common language, it's a copper plate with printed track connecting the mounted components. Okay, now let's make it more clear. So, PCB has the conducting material deposited on insulating material known as substrate. Based on this, PCBs are classified as single layer, copper coating on one side and double layer that is coated on both sides. Now, the materials for substrate can be enlisted as standard FR4 epoxy glass, Nalcon 4006, cyanate ester, BT epoxy glass and so on. Let's have a glimpse on its elements too. There's a copper track over substrate covered with the solder pad. Then is the silk layer in white indicating component placement and are the pad stacks denoting the drill points. Moving ahead with the routing tips as mentioned by Autodesk. Figure out trace width. One of the many ways to reduce the heat buildup on the board. Wider the traces, lesser the resistance encountered by flowing current. Online available trace width calculator can be used for this purpose. Link for one is mentioned in description box. Leave enough space between tracks. This is so because closely packed traces increase the risk of short circuiting. Avoid using 90-degree track angles. This may lead to defacing of track during etching, so it's always preferred to opt for smooth 45-degree angle. Always create a ground plane. As there are many ground connections, so it's preferred to make a ground plane rather than traces to reduce complexity and short circuits. Make power and ground traces wider. It has to be so because power and ground traces have more current. Heat buildup in narrow traces may destroy the complete PCB. So these were some of the tips. Next are the basic steps involved in PCB designing. Creating a complete track with component placement, extracting the design file, printing the design on board, etching, soldering components, testing and troubleshooting. We will proceed further with the first step using Eagle CAD soft. Next video is going to be about Eagle downloading and setup. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thanks for watching this video.